What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back at another video, and today is the day. The giveaway ends tonight. Like I said, February 1st, and the first video on the details of where about the giveaway we got going on with Unbreakable Kicks. So today, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to ask 2 questions. My man's Unbreakable Kicks is going to ask 2 questions. And whoever gets those 2 right, they're going to add us both in the DM Instagram message. And they're going to answer the questions. So if you get them all right, which is going to be 4 questions, if you get all 4 right, then we'll pick that winner. Or whoever, you know what I'm saying, whoever keep answering the questions right, then we'll add all the people up. Then we'll do a random, like a draw or something. We'll add them to like a random selector. And the giveaway winners will be posted either tomorrow or the day after. So we're going to give everybody like the rest of tomorrow to answer the questions. And that's how we're going to do it, man. So that's very fair. I feel like it's not a biased pick. Still going to be a random pick, but the people that answer, whoever rock with the channel is the hardest, you know what I'm saying, is going to win a free pair of Black Cement 3s. I feel like that's fair. Y'all let me know. It's a free pair of shoes, man. So it's all rules, and those are pretty simple rules to win a free pair of Black Cement 3s. Maybe the hottest release of the year, you know what I'm saying, or for a long time. So my 2 questions are, what was my first sneaker review and on feet video on this YouTube channel? That's the first question. I will leave them in the description box below, or you can rewind to hear it back again. And the second question is, what did I give away on my first YouTube giveaway? I think I hit like 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers. Y'all let me know those 2 answers. I will leave them in the description box below, so y'all won't be all freaked out like, oh shit, I don't remember the questions. You can rewind, or you can go in the description box. So, like I said, hit up me and Unbreakable Kicks together in the DM on Instagram, because that was one of the rules. Follow us both on Instagram and add us both in the DM message and answer the questions. And yeah, man, that's it. That's all you got to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this giveaway, man. Another one coming as soon as I hit 20K. Hopefully that come very soon. I feel like it is. I'm about to put out these dope videos. And tomorrow, we got a banger dropping. Everybody keep asking me. I'm going to keep doing these lacing tutorials, because people really rocking with the lace tutorials. It's like, those get the most views on my YouTube channel. So tomorrow, y'all will see the Air Jordan 1 lacing tutorial. So I hope y'all fuck with that one. Here got one of the lace styles right here. I ain't gonna show y'all too much. Sight. But yeah, man. A lot of ones dropping this year. So that's really why I want to go ahead and drop that video, you feel me? A lot of Jordan 1s coming out this year. I think that's the most. Like last year, I was like the most talk. 18 pairs of 18 different colorways of Air Jordan 1s. So hopefully this video will help out everybody rock their Air Jordan 1s and see how I lace them, you feel me? Yeah, man, that is it. So remember, first question, what was my first review and on feet video on YouTube? And the second one is, what did I give away on my first giveaway on YouTube? That's all you have to answer. Like I said, link me and Unbreakable Kicks and the DM message on Instagram. Very simple rules. Very simple. Like, I'm not even trying to blow people's mind away like, oh, we gotta jump through hoops to answer these questions. It's very simple. Just answer those 2 questions and you be entered. Everybody's entered into the giveaway. We get that. I know people are like, man, I just did all this and all that, blah, blah, blah. But bro, it's a free pair of shoes, and we just trying to make it as fair as possible, because we can't randomize everybody's, you know what I'm saying? It would be just too much. So we're gonna ask 4 questions, 2 from each one of us, and we're just gonna random like that. And it's gonna slim it down a lot. That's gonna slim it down a lot. So that's why I've been telling y'all to make sure I go check out those videos. Go catch up on the old content if you're new from Unbreakable Kicks channel. That's why we've been telling y'all this. So I hope y'all been doing what we asked. And yeah, that's all you have to do. That's it for this video. Like I said, tomorrow got an Air Jordan 1 lacing tutorial for y'all. Oh, that's a dope little. I want to start doing some customs, man. That's what I've been seeing Sneakerhead in the Bay do customs and stuff, and I just been like, man, all you gotta do is paint, you know what I'm saying, the same different color block or whatever, and you can make you another dope shoe. Yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You should already be doing that, and follow me on Snapchat. It's only 2 social media things I really be on, to be honest. Hit that notification bell, hit it. You will never miss another video from your boy DeVintage. And people in the comment section been saying Vintage Gang. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. Let me know something. Let's boost the channel up. Let's boost the morale up, you feel me? So that's it. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
Yo, who the jiggy nigga with the plan? I am Abe Jones, be the code name for the nigga. Bitch wanna know who the man? I am trying to figure out how the dick got bigger.